Follow along with me on this meditation to increase creativity and relaxation. Start with a sketchbook or paper, pens, markers, color media of any sort. You can even use work that you have started and not finished. Draw on top of old drawings. Use old paper, anything you can find. We're going to practice letting our body lead. Do not think about what you're drawing with your head. Just let your hand lead the drawing. I'll explain more as we begin our project. We're going to start with a guided contour drawing. Put your pencil or pen onto the paper and draw without lifting it up. You're just going to start making some simple shapes. Let your hand lead. Don't think about what you're drawing at all. Just keep going until you feel comfortable. Keep your lines light. You can trace over the ones that you like when you're finished. When the shapes start to resemble something that you recognize, just go with it. Don't overthink it. It might not even be something that you recognize, but it could turn out to be a really cool abstract piece. Just follow the contours and see what happens. Try not to put too much thought into it. Follow the lines that you like with a little bit more pressure. Remember to breathe as you're drawing. Take a deep breath in your nose and out your mouth. Keep drawing until you feel comfortable with the lines. You can begin to add color whenever you want. This can be as simple or as intricate as you decide. You can take longer than you need or longer than this video to finish your art, or you can finish it in a matter of minutes. It's up to you because it's yours and nobody is going to see it but you. Use whatever media you have. Add a little water, add a little color. Just see what happens. Remember that you're not making this for anyone but yourself. Don't think about it, just draw. Look at the shapes that you've created and think about what might fill those shapes in. Do you want to add color? Or do you want to add lines and texture? It's up to you. Take another deep breath. Think about your posture as you're creating. As you take a deep breath, straighten your spine and imagine yourself filled with a ball of light and radiant energy. Use that energy to fill in the rest of your art. It's up to you. You can do whatever you want. Now shut your eyes for a minute and take a deep breath. You are creating. Creating is healthy, and it's a way to grow. Think about how much this experience is helping you grow and create energy in your own body. Now take another deep breath and return to your art. Continue to go over the lines that you like. Add color, add texture. If you've created something with a subject, you can add a background. Don't be afraid to scribble. Don't be afraid to try new color combinations. The great thing about art is there will be no negative consequences if it doesn't turn out the way that you intend. What you're creating is beautiful. Take another deep breath and imagine your drawing hand is filled with energy, glowing energy and positivity. Use that drawing hand to continue to create. Don't worry if you use too much water or too much of your media, or if your paper tears, because that's all part of the process. Whatever you create is meant to be, and it's meant to facilitate your growth. Remember to breathe and feel the positive energy filling your body. Listen to the music and just create. When you feel like you're done, just stop and shut your eyes for a few minutes. If you're finished, you just created something amazing. If you're not finished, you can keep working or set it aside to finish another time, or just be done forever. Either way, you learned something today. Remember, this is only for you. Keep it for yourself. Thanks for visiting, and please consider subscribing for more meditations. I also have other art tutorials on my channel. Have a great day, and remember to keep creating.